I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I called before, I need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking about the secrets true. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. You're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar. But I like it, we on the floor. In my ear, be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. It's true, it's true, it's true, it's true, it's true, it's true, it's true.
This morning, the last thing I thought I'd be thinking about would be you. I opened up the blinds and saw your hair tie on my windowsill. Not gonna lie, haven't talked to you in a while. What if I just hit you up? Would it still feel the same? Said I was coming to your place. Driving till midnight just to turn around. Wish I knew where I was going now. Cause I'm not the same that I used to be. But some things don't change. Yeah, some things don't change. Bet you're just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on the bleachers and got kicked out. In our heads as we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart. I knew the minute I saw you standing there in line, it had to be fake. So in your phone you didn't notice me till I came and said hi. I know that it's been a long time, but it's crazy cause I just thought of you the other day. Never takes long with us. Following you back to your place. apart.